So this beautiful afang soup, look closely. Can you see those periwinkles inside? What if I told you that before they entered this soup, they were covered in mud, sand, and dirt? Today, I am going to show you how I properly clean Nsam, the shelled periwinkle, so it is perfectly clean, tasty, and ready for your soup. My cocoa nibs, welcome back. If you are from Akwa Ibom or Cross River, you already know this periwinkle is called Nsam, and it is very popular for afang soup and other delicious soups. But the biggest problem many people have is that Nsam is always very sandy and dirty, because it comes from muddy river or sea areas. So today I will show you step by step on how I clean mine properly, and it has been helping me for ages. You know what I mean? So anybody that have a taste of my afang soup can tell it is so tasty, and you can never see sand or stone in it. So come with me and sit and watch how I did mine. So the first thing I did was to cut the bottom of the shell. This part actually takes time, patience, because you have to cut them one by one, just the way I'm doing in this video. While I was cutting them, I was just thinking about how something this small can take so much time to prepare, but when you finally eat the soup, you will know the work is worth it. I am telling you. So if you rush this process, you might not cut it well, and the dirt inside will not come out properly. So just take your time, cut the bottom gently, and make sure the opening is enough for the sand and dirt to come through and come out when washing. So to proceed further, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you are just seeing my channel for the first time, my name is Victoria. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button, like this video if you find it helpful, share to people that want to learn something like this. An afang soup lover, but who is always scared to use this shelled periwinkle. And don't forget to drop a comment below on how you wash yours in the comment section. So to proceed further, after cutting the shell, the next thing I did was to wash them. I first washed them with clean water to remove the mud and sand on the outer layer. Then I transferred the periwinkle into a stainless pot, and you can use a stainless bowl that has its lid. Covered it and started shaking it. The shaking it is very important in cleaning periwinkle. I shook the pot about 5 to 10 times, then rinsed the water out, added fresh water again, shook it again, and rinsed again. I repeated this process several times until the water becomes clean and clear and there was no sand at the bottom. This step is very important because nobody wants to be eating soup and then suddenly biting sand. After the periwinkle was thoroughly cleaned, I transferred it into a pot. Then I added water, salt, and seasoning. I like to do this because it allows the salt and seasoning to enter into the periwinkle so that when you add it to your soup later, it will not taste bland. It will already have its own sweet seasoned taste plus the afang soup taste. It bangs so well. I am telling you, this is the method I've been using for years now, and it has never failed me. And I'm sure you also find this helpful. Then I covered the pot and allowed it to, cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. After cooking, I removed it from the water, and at this point, the periwinkle was clean, tasty, and ready to be added to my soup. As you can see, I added it directly into my soup. And God, plus the afang soup, plus the periwinkle, everything was just giving 100 over 100 minus nothing. And that is how I properly clean and prepare my Nsam, the shelled periwinkle, for soups like afang, adita, atama, and the likes. If you follow this method, your periwinkle will be clean, tasty, and free from sand. Thank you for watching my cocoa nibs. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my cooking videos, food tips, kitchen hacks, remedies, and kitchen stories. I will see you in my next video and in the next delicious recipe. Bye. Do want to enjoy the rest of the video.
In the kitchen light, we gather round. Food lover diary where magic's found. Bold flavors dance, innovative twist. From simple bites to a feast we can't resist. Moms in the lead, kids by your side, creating memories with love as our guide. Whisk it up, let the creativity flow. Every meal's a story ready to grow. Oh, food lover diary, feel the fun ignite. Love for food so pure, shining oh so bright. Creative hearts unite in every bite we take.